Get that ass up, Chris. Butt up. There you go, long strides. Here we go, buddy, here we go. 10 yards left, Chris, come on. Long strides, buddy. Cross that line, come on. Cross it, come on, cross it, get up. Cross that line, Chris. There it is, nice. Come on, up, 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 up. So. There you go, Nick. Yeah, buddy, here we go.
Watch your hips. Come on.
Cross it, cross it, cross it, cross it, cross it. Nicely done.